Okay, so I found a solution to a problem with using the GoPro Quik application on my PC, and saw that it worked perfectly, but also that a lot of people were having trouble following the information on there because they're not familiar with the files on the PC and how to use them. So this is a solution. Basically, it's telling you to modify the expiry date of the files in your music folder, and you have to replace everything with this line here with another line here. Easier said than done, but this is just a way for you to follow how to do it. It's saying first of all that you need to go to this folder, which is under your username, and the way to find that is to go to your normally the C drive, find the users folder, find your username, and then go from there into the app data folder, which may or may not be visible. If it's not visible, you need to choose the view option up here, choose the show option, and make sure you tick hidden items, and then you'll see the app data folder. Then you would open the app data folder, go into the local folder, find the GoPro folder, open up GoPro, then you open up the music folder, and there shouldn't be as much music in yours because it only populates after you do this fix. Then you need to open this catalog info file with a program called Notebook++, which you can download from here, and I'll provide a link in the description below. When you open this up, you'll get all of the listings where you need to change the expiry date. If you choose on search and find the one that says replace, put in the line that's listed in the fix, which I'll put in the description below. It will just basically, you need to copy and paste this line to search for, or put that into the find what line, put that into there and change them all. You can actually just paste this line again and change this one to 2029, and then choose replace all, and it will swap every line like that with the 29 because there's a lot of them in there. Then basically save the file, just go on to here and choose save. I haven't changed it here because it's already done, but it'll come up and let you save it there. You can then close that down. And then the next thing you have to do is go into the app data folder again, local GoPro, and then the databases folder, which is just here, and delete this file, MusicService. So yeah, MusicService, delete that file, and that should have everything working for you. Download the Notepad++ from here, like I said, and make sure you open the file using Notepad++. That's it. Any questions, let me know.